Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of shield bugs, specifically focusing on a truly unique species, the Malayan pectoral. Now, the Malayan pectoral is special because it's the only member of its genus. That means it's the only shield bug with its specific set of characteristics. Let's start by exploring its external features. The Malayan pectoral is a relatively large shield bug, with a body length reaching up to 20 centimeters. Its most striking feature is its shield-shaped body, which is a characteristic of all shield bugs. This shield is a hardened, protective covering that helps the bug defend itself from predators. The Malayan pectoral also has a distinctive color pattern, with a combination of brown, black, and white markings. These markings help it camouflage itself in its natural environment. Now, where can you find this fascinating creature? Well, the Malayan pectoral is native to Southeast Asia, specifically found in countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand. It's a relatively common species in these regions, but it's not as widely known outside of its native range. When it comes to habitat, the Malayan pectoral prefers warm, humid environments. You'll often find it in forests, woodlands, and gardens. It's particularly fond of areas with plenty of vegetation, as this provides it with both food and shelter. Now, let's talk about its behavior. The Malayan pectoral is a herbivore, meaning it feeds on plants. Its diet consists mainly of sap, which it extracts from plants using its piercing-sucking mouthparts. This feeding behavior can sometimes make it a pest in agricultural settings, as it can damage crops. However, the Malayan pectoral also plays an important role in the ecosystem. It's a food source for various predators, including birds, reptiles, and other insects. It also helps to disperse seeds, as it often carries them on its body when moving from one plant to another. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Malayan pectoral, this unique and fascinating shield bug. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of insects. Hey everyone, today we're diving into the fascinating world of the Malayan shield bug, the only member of its genus. Let's start with their breeding habits. These bugs are quite interesting when it comes to reproduction. They lay their eggs in clusters, usually on the underside of leaves. The eggs are quite distinctive, being a pale yellow color and having a slightly elongated shape. Once the eggs hatch, the nymphs, which are much smaller versions of the adults, start their journey to adulthood. Now, keeping a Malayan shield bug in a terrarium can be a rewarding experience for those who are interested in keeping exotic insects. They need a spacious enclosure with plenty of ventilation. The terrarium should be kept at a warm temperature, around 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and the humidity should be maintained at a high level. You'll also need to provide them with a variety of plants, as they feed on sap and other plant juices. But be careful, these bugs are not just pretty faces. They possess a potent venom that they use to defend themselves against predators. The venom is injected through a sharp, needle-like structure called a rostrum. The effects of the venom can vary depending on the size of the victim and the amount of venom injected. In humans, the venom can cause localized pain, swelling, and redness. In some cases, it can also lead to nausea, vomiting, and dizziness. Despite the potential dangers, the venom of the Malayan shield bug has also been studied for its potential medicinal properties. Scientists have discovered that the venom contains compounds that have antibacterial and antifungal activity. This has led to research into the possibility of using the venom to develop new antibiotics and antifungal drugs. So, there you have it, the Malayan shield bug, a fascinating creature with a unique venom that could hold the key to future medical breakthroughs.